Hi, this is Sasha Segan from PCMag.com. OnePlus does the best reviewers kits in the mobile business, so I wanted to show you what's in the reviewers kits for the OnePlus 8 Pro and the OnePlus 8. Come take a look with me. OnePlus's motto is never settle, and they've put that on the front of these reviewers kits. You can see it has a sort of cool effect there. Open up the box. And here's the reviewer's manual for the OnePlus 8. Now, the reviewer's manual is gorgeous, fancy, has specs in there, but I'm not going to talk a lot about the specs in this video. Instead, we have two cases, a kind of nice sandstone textured one, and the nylon one, which I actually prefer. This is the one that I'm going to put on my actual OnePlus 8. Then there's the main box for the OnePlus 8. Now, if you buy a OnePlus 8 at retail, this is the box you get. You just get this long red box, which is similar to the design they had for the OnePlus 7T box. Open it up, and there's a phone in here. Check out that incredible finish. It's shimmery, it's mirrored, it's color changing. And then, of course, we get the OnePlus 8's extremely bright screen here. Screen quality is a big deal with these phones. The OnePlus 8 has a 1080p 90Hz screen. It's great looking, very bright. You can tell in full daylight. And of course, it has 5G. The OnePlus 8 is going to be the model that's sold by US carriers. So this will have all forms of 5G on Verizon, but low and mid-band 5G on T-Mobile. Now you notice on the bottom, there's no headphone jack, and this phone doesn't ship with headphones. OnePlus has told me that they are going to have some low-cost USB-C headphones available for people who like wired headphones. Now, of course, there's a USB cable, and in here is the Warp Charge 30T adapter. Now, OnePlus uses a proprietary USB A to C charging solution, Warp Charge 30T, but it's extremely fast. It can charge to 24% in 10 minutes, 48% in 20 minutes. So let's look in the other box at the other OnePlus phone. Now, this is also a never settle box, but this is even never settler, because this is the OnePlus 8 Pro. Now, what makes the OnePlus 8 Pro Pro? Let's take it out of the main box. OnePlus 8 Pro box, this is what you'd get at retail. And you'll see that the OnePlus 8 Pro, first of all, has wireless charging. Now, wireless charging works with this attractive wireless charging adapter. It's proprietary wireless charging if you want it to be fast. This is Warp Charge 30. They say it's considerably faster than any other form of wireless charging. It'll still work with standard Qi chargers, though, just at regular speed. Now, this is also a dual SIM phone, and it has an extra bright 2K 120Hz screen. And unlike the Samsung Galaxy S20, this fellow can do 2K at 120Hz. You don't have to choose between resolution and frame rate. Camera's on the back. No headphone jack again. Let's see what else is in the box. This one comes with a case. Nice never settle case. And of course my review unit also comes with a sandstone case and a carbon fiber case. And then of course there's the USB cord and the Warp Charge 30T adapter. Now, this phone also does not come with headphones, and so you're going to either have to use your own Bluetooth headphones, or you're going to have to use OnePlus's USB-C headphones. Well, that's what's in the boxes for the OnePlus 8 and the OnePlus 8 Pro, and now I'm going to go review these phones. So if you want to learn more about them, go to PCMag.com.